Hey guys, if your headset, your microphone's not working right now, so you guys can voice chat with your teammates right here in Fortnite, don't worry about it. There's a few things that you guys should test out to see whether it's actually your microphone from your Xbox or it's just in Fortnite. So the very first thing you guys should do, obviously, is go right here. And what you guys want to do is just go right into your settings and audio. So let's just go audio for now. Just make sure your headset mic is on. So just make sure right here it says on, not off. Okay, if it's off, then that's the problem. Easy fix, right? So hopefully it's something that easy for you guys. But for those of you who have even more problems, we can test this out. So you guys can download Skype, test it out right there. Just make a test call. You don't have to test call just anybody. There's a test call right here. So I'm gonna go into it so you guys can see that if your mic's actually working or not. So I'm gonna close this. And right here you guys will see there's this echo sound test service. So you guys can just do that voice call and you guys will hear yourselves. Okay, and that's how this works. So I'm just gonna go back on this. So right now I did a test, microphone's working just fine. So for sure it's a Fortnite thing. There's some things that you guys can do. What you guys can do, there's a video about this as well on YouTube where you guys go to Microsoft Edge and from there you unlink your Epic account with right here your Xbox. It's not gonna delete anything, alright? So if that doesn't work, and that's why I'm making this video. So obviously here in Fortnite, you guys should have tried to go into these settings. Okay, so there are settings here that you guys can mess around with. So if you guys went here and already tried a few things like just turning voice chat on and off, turning this on and off, resetting everything. So just by pressing X on your Xbox, you guys can reset this. So that's actually when my problem started, when I resetted this thing. So anyways, I'm gonna go back on it. If you guys tried that already, tried everything, tried it from Fortnite itself, and it's not working, again, what we're gonna have to do is reinstall the game. So we're gonna go into my games and apps. We're gonna delete it. Don't worry, if you delete the game, it doesn't mean you're gonna lose anything. Once you guys download it again, you're good to go. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna delete it right now and you guys will see that I have everything. So all the skins that you guys have purchased, whatever you guys purchased, it's all gonna be there. It's all gonna be good. So right here under games, I can just click right here and I can install this. Yes, I know guys, this is the very last option that we have, but that's it. There's nothing else we can do if this is not working properly. So right now it has uninstalled. So it did it pretty fast. You guys will see that it's no longer here in the list. So it's nowhere here to be seen. So these are all my games and there's nothing, there's no Fortnite. So I'm gonna have to reinstall it. Of course it's free, so don't worry about it. Alright, so it will take a while. It is 17 gigs. It's a lot, I know, but if you guys want to chat with your friends, this is the last resort. It's the last thing that we gotta do, and then it's gonna work. Alright guys, so once you reinstall the game, you guys will see that it should work. However, always go into these settings right here and make sure this right here, push to talk, is off. Once you guys have that off, you guys should be working and you guys should see that. So if you guys look at tech and design on the top left hand corner, you guys will see that my mic is actually working. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.